Brand new roof and air conditioner system for this 3-bedroom/2-bath townhome. The home features a split-bedroom floor plan, wood laminate flooring, a covered patio downstairs and an open deck upstairs, and a fenced backyard with a shed. The garage was converted into a 4th-bedroom bonus room, however, you could easily remove the wall and turn it back into a garage. There is a community pool right in the middle of the common area, so it's just steps from the home. You'd also have access to the Waterhaven Community Boat Ramp on street Andrews Bay, which is just around the corner. This is a move-in ready home in a quiet neighborhood near golf courses, shopping centers, schools, the Navy base and of course, the beach. All info is approximately and must be verified by buyers if important.